Hello viewers, welcome to Try to Learn. In this video, we will learn and write name of forest animals. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and for more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel Try to Learn. First one is D-E-E-R, deer. Next is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. On number 3 we have T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Next is L-I-O-N, lion. Next forest animal is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. On number 6 we have R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Next forest animal is K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Next animal is G-O-R-I-L-L-A, gorilla. Next is S-N-A-K-E, snake. Next animal is J-A-C-K-A-L, jackal. Next forest animal is A-N-T-E-L-O-P-E, antelope. Next animal is Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. On number 13 we have H-O-R-S-E, horse. Next animal is F-O-X, fox. Next is Y-A-K, yak. Next forest animal in our list is W-O-L-F, wolf. Next forest animal is G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Next forest animal is R-A-C-C-O-O-N, raccoon. Next animal is L-E-O-P-A-R-D, leopard. Last animal is P-O-R-C-U-P-I-N-E, porcupine.